Am I but just another shrub?
I was on holiday recently with my girlfriend and we went to the beach and we had an encounter with a nudist. French she was. I could tell she was French because, well, I'll get to that.
How'd she do it?
She came out of the water, looked like she was smuggling seaweed. I felt bad because I hadn't shaved for a few days. I looked at her, not a problem.
No, I suppose not.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome to the stage one of my favourite comics.
Did she leave anything?
It's Shel Murphy.
I have no idea that she never said anything about...
Shel, you're up.
What a prick! It's only been a week, he should be begging you to come back.
I thought he would be. He's usually very emotional.
He pitched right into the beans with bread and coffee I made in a pan on the stove. Just French-style brewing coffee stirred with a spoon. We had a great supper and then lit up our pipes and talked with the fire roaring. Ray, you're going to have a great summer up on that Desolation Peak. I'll tell you all about it.